Welcome back to the house today. I have challenger Brandon Bonta with me. We're gonna bowl with pins and we're gonna pay Brandon whatever he shoots if he beats me. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Me to go first, one warm-up shot. Okay.
That was pretty good.
I've thrown it a couple times. I've never actually bowled a game. It's just everybody's seen you launch a pin out the back and then guy grabs it and throws it back down.
I'm gonna throw it this way. Oh, okay, we got to go a little bit. Okay.
This is going to be a problem with scoring. I think 140 or 150 is a winning score. Hopefully it's me so I don't have to pay Brandon.
I think my goal is just shoot 100.
It spun too much.
30 miles an hour, what a fastball.
I threw that 30? Dang. Sheesh! Oh. I'll take 9. I'll take 9. I need to throw it. I need to hit the one in front. The first shot. That's the key. That's the key. Sometimes it registers the pin. Sometimes it doesn't.
They're already icing me on the first frame here.
Well, yeah, that's part of the deal. We had to take so many pins out of the rack so we could throw them back into the rack. So
it will get faster as we go along.
It will get faster
and then
the
get slower
further we get in this video. Oh. Okay.
I got to play the cutter.
I did notice when you throw it, it doesn't hook. It backs up. It goes the opposite direction of your spin. Here we are. Ay, ay, ay. It's just sometimes it hooks, sometimes it doesn't. Coach L said to throw it just by the head of the pin. I think he spent some time in the bowling alley, so I'm gonna try his strategy next frame. I don't wanna give Bonta any tips here. I swear that curved a little at the last second. I think 110 is a winning score. Yeah, I mean, you gotta figure we're gonna get a spare eventually. I don't think there's gonna be a strike, but someone's gonna spare eventually.
Oh no! We are out of pins now. Packy's going to get some more.
Had to get some more pins. I'll give you this one, you shoot it.
Okay.
And then I'll cycle it a couple times. Yeah.
Perfect.
It's the beauty behind these videos right here.
Oh! Like bowling in the olden days where they pushed your ball back. Now we're just grabbing our pins.
Yay! We got 4 pins. That's about 2 frames. Do you have an updated guess?
On score?
Yeah.
90 to 100, easily.
90 to 100?
I think
I got 120
combined, we might get 1 spare.
Combined, we're getting 1 spare?
I feel like it.
Okay, well, you can catch me this frame sparing.
Okay, bet.
Yo.
It has a, oh.
That was a big curve.
2 counter.
That was 2? Oh, God. I'm going back to my old strategy. Coach L lied to me.
It'll be a spare.
Okay, that was my best shot yet, though. I'll take it. I hit the head pin.
That's a big goal. I'm really good at slapping the 6-10 or the 4-7 in the face.
You should try hitting the 1-3 or the 1-2 or the 1-2-3 in the face. A pin is longer than a bowling ball is wide. Do you think you could hit all 3 of those pins, the 1, 2, and 3 with the pin?
I told Coach L my goal was to have the pin go over the 3rd, 4th, and 5th arrow.
3rd, 4th, and 5th arrow.
Boom!
Hey, great shot. Also, it never counted it. Sorry, it didn't count it. I gotta step my game up. I'm not trying to lose money over here. Okay, I can make this easy. I'll hit the one in front. Hey!
Oh no!
That was the best chance I had at a spare so far. I'll get another one. I still think someone's gonna shoot 120. 150 is way too much. The odds you double? If you double, you could just sign me out. I'm taking my shoes off. High. Ah, what? Left a split.
What?
I didn't think it was possible to split in this game.
How do we shoot this? We just got to slide it. Oh, wrong way.
I'm holding the pin the wrong way. I was going to hook the other way. Oh my.
Almost ricocheted into it.
Pin. The pins we're using, these pins are 5 pounds. Yeah, you can see most pins are hollow in the middle. These ones are filled. I don't know what they're filled with, but they are filled about like 1.5 pounds heavier. I think what's a normal pin weight? 3.5 pounds, I believe.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so this is 1.5 pounds heavier.
Oh.
I got 9. Please make it. Please. Pew, 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 pew. Still haven't missed a 7-pin. We will not talk about the 247s though. We will not. We gotta go get more pins.
It is upgraded to box status. Good enough.
Make it hook a little bit more. Fresh surface.
That's what I need, an Avalon pad. That's what I need.
Oh God.
Oh no!
Wow, that's a tough spare. Good luck. Have you ever left this before?
Absolutely not. But it's 1-for-1 on make.
Oh!
Will we have a match now? You're on a spare.
We got a match.
Oh.
I'm on a spare. I need good count. Back up.
Oh my goodness.
I'll take 8. 8's a great score. Anything that puts me in the lead. I'm just saying.
He's leaving easy makeables now. I'm in trouble.
Yeah, I'm leaving makeables. Is there such a thing as a makeable with a pin?
Well, you're leaving.
The only one I made was in the back corner.
That is very true. Oh my God, he's 2 for 2.
Combined, we might get 1 spare.
I already got 2.
That's unreal.
How many spares does Brandon have? 0.
0, but I have a
0
strike.
spares. He does have the more impressive strike.
Do I switch up strategy mid-game?
I tried it. You can try it out.
No shot.
Wow!
Give me that.
I still don't think I'm going to strike. I'm impressed. I can't throw a strike with a bowling ball. He's already got 2 of them with a bowling pin.
Oh no! Oh yeah.
What?
5 count.
There's a pin back there. Golly. I'm making this.
Thanks, heavy pins. So is your strategy here to bounce the pin off the front one?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I was trying to, bounce the 10 pin out the back, and
I mean, that would have been cool.
wasn't quite enough. We got a couple extra this time around. That's the spare pin. That's when I know I'm doing it wrong, when he's got spare pins and I got
It just won't hit as good. Give me 2. Ah, the pocket.
This is easier though.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
That was huge for me. Keeps it close. I appreciate that. When we hit 120,000 subscribers, we're giving away a pin just like this that has 8 signatures on it from the top 8 bowlers in the world. So don't be afraid. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and click that link down below, because it's the only 2 ways to win this pin, but it's going to look a little different. Oh, I've hit the same spot every time.
The good part is, even though it looks like you're gonna hit the 10 pin, the pin will like go long ways and you'll get 8.
It always goes like this as I'm coming at the pins. Oh! Chop! That's another pet peeve of mine. When people throw it in the gutter and then they foul because they're angry. You know what else I hate? Chopping the 1-2.
With a pin. It went dead straight that
I thought
way.
you were going to get some crazy pin carry because your pin going into the rack. We just talked about how mine was going in sideways. Yours went in literally dead straight.
Like a dart. All right, I'm up 2. It's fine. What a barn burner we got going on here.
Down 2 with 2 to play. And it all comes down to this. Either I'm gonna lose $100 or I'm gonna win this game. Nothing like a little 4-piece chicken nugget. I think I'm gonna go a little left to right here. Oh, spare! Pew, 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 pew. I'm not saying I can't be stopped, but this is my time. They don't call me Captain Clutch for nothing. Oh. Wow, what a good bad break. It's good that you got so many pins. It's bad that you left that. Hey, great shot. I'll just shut it down on him right now. Oh my God, what a bad rack. What is that?
Just what I needed.
There's 4 heavy pins where I'm trying to hit. No.
Oh!
I'll take 5. If I spare here, regardless, you have to spare to win.
Oh my God!
Give me one.
What is that?
Phenomenal carry. When you got it, you got it. Oh,
4? Oh! I need to fill 20 though.
that was my best shot. God.
I need to fill 20 to win.
That was like the closest one I had to striking all day. Oh no. He has yet to spare. I want you to focus up here. You need to wipe the pin off again?
Nope.
Oh. Wow. Oh my. Okay, I'll touch it.
Skinny jeans on the spare. Strike for the win.
Strike to claim it. Let's go. It all comes down to this.
This one right here.
You're either gonna make $110
Or 0.
or 0. Or we go to a 9th, 10th frame roll off. Wow.
I have a lot of 5-pounders in here.
Wow. Oh,
No.
it's so bad.
Unbelievable.
Yes!
Loser by 4.
You know, when you got it, you got it. And today, I'm wearing my Captain Clutch shirt. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see Brandon Bonta more, let us know down below in the comments. Just tell us who you want, tell us what you want, and we'll try and get some good videos out to you. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, peace.